back to Mama Weesie channel. I know y'all probably say, what is going on? But I come on to show y'all that I'm still in the process of growing the hair. I know I haven't did a wash job in a while, but that's what I'm doing. I already did one wash. So right now I'm letting this sit before I wash it out. And I'm still using my Head and Shoulder with my conditioner. So 2 in 1. Yeah. So I'm going to let this sit in for a little bit. And then I'm going to wash it out. And I thought I would, you know, turn my camera on. Let y'all see, you know, what's been going on with the hair. Because I know the last time you saw me in a video, I still had my braids in. So I done take the braids out. Now I'm washing. I don't know what style I'm going to get after I wash my hair and blow dry it. But I want y'all to stay tuned because I want y'all to see and let me know in the comments, have my hair changed from the last time that y'all did see me wash and blow dry it. I'm going to have some pictures up over here. So I want y'all to tell me, you know, have it grown from the last time. I don't know how much pictures I'm going to put up for y'all to see, but it's going to be here. So I want y'all to stay tuned as Wee's Nation, take this journey. For the people that is not subscribed to my channel, what are y'all waiting on? Subscribe. And if you okay, let me say this. If you saw some videos and you didn't like, or you want to say refer me to do something, let me know in the comments below. I'm here for you. Okay? So let me know what do y'all want me to do. Let me know. So right now I'm going to get ready to wash this out and probably put another wash this out and put another process in and let it sit. So y'all stay tuned, okay? All right. She's all the touch out because I can't see on top of my head. Only y'all can see. Is it out? I'm about to use this again. And this time I'm going to let it sit again. I can feel that it has grown some more. I can feel it as me washing it, rubbing my hand through it. So I'm not gonna keep y'all through the whole process. But I'm going to come back with y'all after. After I done blow dry. I'm close. Hold on. I'm going to come back with y'all after I done blow dry. Okay? Alright. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay. I done finished washing the hair, but for the third or fourth time, I want to give y'all a little taste before I blow dry. I'm looking in the mirror. Woo, yes. And this is what it looked like before blow dry. So imagine what it's going to be like after I blow dry it. Man. Yes, my hair came a long way, y'all. Well, I carry y'all a little through it. So y'all know. My Weesie Nation. Alright. Okay, so that's a little sample of what to look for before the blow drying. So I want y'all to come on, because all right, about to go blow dry this up. And let's go. Period. This is what I'm using on my hair. And I purchased this from the dollar store. Only $1. Nothing too fancy. Alright. Alright, this is the blow dryer I'm using. As you can see. Called Kiss 1876 Pro. I have the comb for it. Put that on. And like I say, this is the grease. So I'm gonna put this all over my hair. All over my hair. Let me take my glasses off. Put this all over my hair before I blow dry. I know you're wondering, am I going to blow dry all together? No, I'm not. I'm going to part it and then blow dry. I'm going to do the front and let y'all see how long he got. And then after that, I'm going to come back to y'all after I blow dry the whole hair. So y'all can see. Did I put it? Oh, a lot. Okay. Let's do better, MAMAWEESIE. Okay. There's something when you don't have a mirror. So I'm going to take a little bit of grease on my fingertip, and I'm going to grease the scalp along with the hair. And then, I don't have my glasses on, but I'm going to turn this on. And then I'm going to turn on like warm heat. And I'm going to blow dry the front and let y'all see. Why the comb coming down? Something when you don't have a mirror in front of you. See exactly what you're doing. Okay, well, let's stay down there. I don't know if I'm going to blow dry it all the way through. I don't know if I'm going to blow dry it all the way through, but I'm just going to give y'all a little sample of it. I don't know if I'm going to... Okay, start all over. I don't know if I'm going to blow dry the whole hair through fully. because I still don't know yet what kind of style I'm going to get. But I'm just going to show y'all a little touch to see did it actually grow from before to now. So I can post it up here like I say. Yeah, the plug came out. It's not like doing it here in a different area. Okay, this is what it look like. Thumbnail. Okay, my Weez Nation, this is the outcome of my hair. To me, my hair has gotten longer. And y'all will see in that picture that I post right here. Y'all will see that and y'all will agree with me. If you do agree, comment down below. Yes, my hair has grown, y'all. And my hair and I didn't fully blow dry it either. I didn't fully blow dry it out. So imagine, just imagine if I fully blow dry this hair out. Oh man. I'm so happy with my growing stage. I'm very happy. This journey, like I say, has been a journey. And I wasn't afraid to cut all off. I like to talk about it because I start from nothing. I cut all off. Go back to my videos. Check them out. Those wash days. You will see what I'm talking about. But all that being said, I don't know what I'm going to do with it because right now my stylist is a little under the weather. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But I want y'all to stay tuned to see the new do. I don't know when, but y'all just be ready, okay? So as you see in the video, the product that I used was the Head and Shoulder, the 2-in-1, and the grease that I got was from the dollar store, like I say. And let me see what else. And the blow dryer. That's all I use on the hair. From before when I used to use the other products. But this is the new product and I am loving the new product. So but yeah. So Head and Shoulder agreeing with me, as you can see. And my little dollar store grease. Like I say, nothing fancy. So but yeah. Let me know if y'all use some of the like the Dollar Tree hair products or whatever. Let me know in the comments. Don't be shy. Let me know. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to try to this video edit and out for y'all to see my Weez Nation today. My Weez Nation, I love y'all. Mwah. And I'm out.